Are you experiencing pain on the inside of your knee? I'm Dr. Clayton. I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. Having pain in this area typically means that you're allowing your knee to shift inwards towards your other knee, or what is scientifically called valgus collapse. We see this a lot in athletes that have to do a quick change of direction. When your knee shifts inward, it puts a ton of stress or pressure on these two structures, your medial collateral ligament and a branch of your saphenous nerve. By doing these two tips I'm about to show you, you're going to bring down the inflammation in the area and strengthen the right muscles to make sure that knee stops shifting inwards, which is going to give you a ton of relief. The first tip is simply pinching the inner thigh of the knee that is painful. Yes, pinching your inner thigh. I know it sounds crazy, and if you want to know why, drop a comment down below and I'll explain. But for those of you that want relief, you're going to do this. Grab the inside of your thigh just above your knee. You're going to go up and down the thigh until you find that sensitive area. Once you find that sensitive area, you're simply going to hold on to it and tug up and down, back and forth for about 30 seconds to a minute. You should really feel that start to get less sensitive as you're doing it. And if you want to have a little bit of a hint to why you're doing this, pinch the other side. I guarantee you it's not nearly as sensitive. The second tip, which is the most important, is an exercise that strengthens the muscles that keeps your knee from valgus collapsing. You're going to lay on your side. We call this a modified side plank. Your knees are going to be slightly out in front of you at like a 45-degree angle, elbow directly underneath your shoulder. From there, you're going to take your top leg and you're going to put it behind the bottom leg. From here, your hand's going to go on your hip. And it's very important you don't forget this next step. You're going to do a slight roll. Make sure your shoulder and hip move together. From there, you're going to lift your hips up off of the ground. From there, you should feel a good burn or workout sensation in the bottom glute and in your core. From there, you're going to hold for about 5 seconds, and then you're going to go back down. Come out of that roll, then you're going to roll back into it and lift those hips. You're going to go back and forth 5 to 6 times, holding for 5 seconds. Again, you should feel that deep burn in the glute. While I'm holding this, the ground is trying to push my knee inward, and I'm having to fight and push against the ground to lift my hip away from the ground. And that is strengthening the muscles that prevent my knee from doing the valgus collapse, which is the most important to avoid the pain long term. If you're wanting another exercise, I made this video on valgus knee collapse while squatting. I show my favorite exercise. You will feel a deep burn. I'll put that down in the corner. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions for me, drop a comment down below. I'd love to help you. Until next time, keep moving and enjoy the rest of your day.